student, here we discuss 4 by 10 HI question. The equilibrium constant the reaction H2 plus I2 gives you twice of HI at 426 degrees C is equal to 55.3. 55.3, what will be the value of equilibrium constant? So if the reaction is reversed and if the given reaction is represented as thrice of H2 plus thrice of I2 gives 6 of HI. When you will do all these exercises, believe me that it will be a cakewalk for you. Okay, I can do each and everything. So I told you earlier that when we reverse the reaction, so the new equilibrium constant will be equal to the inverse of initial equilibrium constant. This is initial equilibrium constant, that is 55.3 is the equilibrium constant for the given reaction, and the new reaction which is obtained after the reversing this reaction, so new constant K dash C will be equal to inverse of initial concentration, that is 1 by Kc. I put the value K dash C of reverse reaction is equal to 1 upon Kc of initial reaction is equal to 1 upon 55.3. Answer is 0.0180. Now if the reaction is multiplied by 3, see here, thrice of H2 plus thrice of I2 here gives you 6 of HI. Okay, here it was earlier 2, here multiply the whole equation by 3. So when we are multiplying the reaction by 3, so the Kc, the new Kc here, it will be the 3 times. Here I have given another formula K, big K. Okay, and Kc, 2 K are, one is Kc and second one is K dash C and third one is K, bigger K. Okay, 3 times equilibrium constant of the reaction in which we are multiplying the initial equation by 3. So the equilibrium constant for this reaction will be equal to K, capital K. Okay, so will be equal to 3 times cube of Kc. So I have written 55.3 value is given here, that this equilibrium constant is 55.3. So cube of it 55.3 is equal to, I calculated out, 169,112.377. Standard form I have written 1.69 into 10 to power minus 5. Sorry, 5, only 5, because it is big number. So 10 to power 5. What does it mean? This is very big value. So ratio of keep this product upon reactant is higher to the higher extent. So means reaction is going further towards the completion of the reaction. Okay, this value of K will tell us whether the reaction is undergoing for completion, more product is